Hey everyone, ready for a quick brain teaser that looks simple but hides a sneaky twist? Give this one a shot and don't peek. See if you can beat the trap. Today, we're solving a tricky little expression. 5 minus 9 times 5 minus 9. Looks simple, right? But be careful, this is where most people get tripped up. Take a second, try it yourself, and then let's solve it together. First, we handle the parentheses. 5 minus 9 equals minus 4. So now the expression becomes 5 minus 9 times minus 4. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we do 9 times minus 4, which equals minus 36. Now it's 5 minus of minus 36. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding, so this becomes 5 plus 36 equals 41. So the final answer is 41. But here's the catch. Most people make a really common mistake. They go left to right. 5 minus 9 equals minus 4, then they do minus 4 times minus 4, which equals 16. That's completely wrong answer, and it shows up all the time, just because they ignored PEMDAS. But wait, we have a bonus challenge for you. Can you solve 3 minus 8 times 3 minus 8? Think carefully. Let me know your answer in the comments below, and of course, subscribe our channel Mathspire and keep on learning.